Hello everybody, today's topic is digestive system. In mammals, digestive system represented by alimentary canal, which is elongated tubular structure. It extended throughout the body cavity from the mouth to anus and hang loosely from the dorsal body wall by double fold of peritoneum, which called mesentery. The alimentary canal consists of buccal cavity, which open by mouth. Next part of alimentary canal is pharynx. Pharynx open in esophagus, and esophagus connect with stomach, and stomach connect with intestine. Intestine, which can be divided into two parts, a small intestine and large intestine. A small intestine further divided into duodenum, jejunum and ileum. On the other hand, large intestine can be divided into colon and rectum. Next part of alimentary canal which connect with rectum is anus, which is last opening part of digestive system. First portion of alimentary canal is buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is the anterior portion called mouth, and mouth anteriorly covered by a pair of muscular movable lips. In rabbits, the narrow space between lips and jaws found, which called vestibule. Mouth's anterior portion and just behind lips found teeth. Both maxilla and mandibles bones are provided with teeth. In mammals, teeth are ectodermal in origin. Each teeth are thecodont, it means embedded in sockets, and they are produced in two sets, the milk teeth and permanent teeth, so called diphyodont. Teeth in mammals are also heterodont, it means different type of teeth found in mammals. In mammals, four different types of teeth found, which are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors teeth chisel shaped and useful for cutting. It is located in anterior region of buccal cavity, while canines are pointed and lie laterally behind the incisors and useful for tearing. Premolars are just behind two canines. These are flat and with transverse ridges. They are useful for grinding food and are called lophodonts. Molars are monodonts, it means no predecessors in milk teeth. In rabbits, each half of upper jaw bears two incisors, canines totally absent, three premolars and three molars. On the other hand, each half of lower jaws bears only one incisor, canines here also absent, two premolars and three molars. Canines are absent in both jaws, and the space which found between incisors and premolars called diastema. In mammals, number of teeth and sequence represented by dental formula. In dental formula, incisors represented by alphabet I, canines represented by alphabet C, premolars represented by PM and molars represented by M. A dental formula gives number of teeth in each half of upper and lower jaw. To calculate total number of teeth, the formula has to be multiplied by 2. Dental formula of human is where I, it means incisor in half upper jaw is 2 and incisor in half upper jaw is also 2. When we talk about canines, in half upper, half lower jaw in 1 in each, while premolars in half upper jaw 2 and in half lower jaw also 2. While we talk about molar, in half upper jaw 3 and in half lower jaw also 3. It means in upper jaw 16 and in lower jaw also 16 teeth found, and total number of teeth in adult human found 32. On the other hand, when we talk about the dental formula of rabbit, here some change. Here incisor in half upper jaw 2 incisor, while incisor in half lower jaw just 1. Canines absent in both lower and upper jaw, while premolar in half upper jaw 3, while in half lower jaw just 2. Molar in half upper jaw and half lower jaw 3 each. Here in upper jaw total number of teeth are 8, while in lower jaw total number of teeth are 6. Total teeth found in rabbit are 32. This picture is related to dental formula calculation process. As in picture shown, upper and lower jaw divided into two parts, and each half of upper and lower jaw represent by incisor, canine, premolars and molar teeth. As shown in formula, in first half of upper jaw and first half of lower jaw incisors 2, canines 1, premolar 2, and molar 3. It means first half of upper jaw total number of teeth are 8, while in half portion of lower jaw total number of teeth are 8. So total number of teeth in upper jaw are 16, while total number of teeth in lower jaw are also 16. So total number of teeth in adult human beings are 32 in number. When we talk about structure of mammalian teeth, in mammals teeth are placed in alveoli. The alveoli covered by single layered peridental membrane. Each tooth consists of a hard substance called dentine. The dentine is hollow and its cavity is called pulp cavity. It opens directly at the base of the tooth and is filled with spongy pulp which consists of blood vessels, nerve fibers and odontoblast cells. Tooth's upper exposed region is covered by a hard polished substance called the enamel. Tooth can be divided into 3 regions: upper region which called crown, middle neck and the base region is roots. The upper region covered by polished substance called the enamel. Middle region which is neck covered by muscular gum, and lower one region is lie in the alveolus is called root. When a root tooth grows, the opening of pulp cavity normal. When it closed, the growth of tooth stop. In rat and rabbits, the pulp cavity of incisors teeth continue to grow throughout the life. Such teeth are called rootless and with persistent pulp cavity. Look at the picture of mammalian teeth. In this picture, we can identify crown, neck and root region of mammalian teeth, and also know various portion like enamel, gum, pulp cavity of mammalian teeth. In buccal cavity on the floor of it, a large fleshy and protrusible tongue found, which is attached at the posterior end and freely anteriorly. The surface of the tongue is provided with various taste buds. In mammals, there are four types of taste buds found. First one is Filiform Papillae. It is located at anterior end and marginal region of tongue and numerous in number. Second one is Filiform Papillae. It is located on surface of tongue and it is cone shaped. Third one is circumvallate papillae. These are a few in number but largest among taste buds. These are usually look like inverted V and distributed on whole tongue. Fourth one is foliate papillae. These are a few in number and located at lateral region of tongue. This picture shown structure of tongue and distribution of various type of taste buds or papillae on mammalian tongue. Mammalian tongue perform various functions. Taste buds found on tongue, so tongue helpful in recognize taste of food material. In human being, the anterior region of tongue identifies sweet nature of food material. Posterior region identify bitter nature, and tip region and lateral region identify salty food material. Tongue is also helpful in speech. Tongue also helpful in cleaning the teeth. Tongues manipulate food for mastication, mix food with saliva, and is used in the act of swallowing. In this topic, we discuss various reason of buccal cavity and alimentary canal. Next video will also related to digestive system. Thank you for watching video.